like no other nigga. Yeah, they tell me that I'm selfish. Man, I can't even help it. The way I move is different. Not like no other nigga. She tell me that I'm selfish. Goddamn, man, I can't even help. Niggas think they better. Let me show you who the shit. Fuck the rainy weather. I'ma shine regardless. I'm remarkable. And ain't nobody gonna stop me. Humble and I'm cocky. Got ambition like Rocky from the Philly Bricks. Watch me move out of this bitch, do my fucking thing. I'm the champ, need a ring on my fucking belt. Daily praying for my health and my fucking wealth. Put my trophy on the shelf, cause I do for me. And my kids, fuck the rest, smoking on the best. I ace that shit, don't try to test stripes like a rep. On the mission for the checks while you niggas sleep. I'm on my gristle trying to eat, rolling on the beat. Your shorty made a nigga skeet, then I let her go. No time for saving me, no hoe, just getting at the dough. I let my shorty suck it slow, then I'm out for mo. Motivation, all I know. The way I move is different. Not like no other nigga. She tell me that I'm selfish. Goddamn, man, I can't even help it. The way I move is different. Not like no other nigga. Yeah, she tell me that I'm selfish. Man, I can't even tell it. Dead all the haters. Get them from around me. I'm on my own mission and you niggas can't stop me. I'm a self-made nigga and I'm still in the mix. Niggas say they really cool, but them niggas be fake. Really be hating. They don't really want you to make it, but I would fuck the niggas up cause they got me mistaken. I tried to be humble, but fuck it. Back on that dirty. Need a big boy chopper that'll hold about 30 cause niggas is dirty. And I'm in the mud too, trying to get me out, but I can send you up too. So I'm staying out the way, just trying to get to the paper. Riding solo with my bitch, making plans for later. Niggas stay focused. Just a day ago I was hopeless. Felt like life was all over, but a nigga be coping, no time for the moment. Get on your grind and just get it. Had a dream the other day, and in my dream I was winning. My swag and be kidding. Just like a Porsche on the highway. My shorty looking for me, but today she can't find me. I'm thinking money, 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 all I need is money. Cause when I'm broke without a dollar, you don't even want me. This is all real, nowhere to stay. Just a cell bill that I can't even pay. Working 9 to 5, but that money coming too slow. About to bag it up and had the fiends coming for more. And I never stop, no matter what the situation is. I'm a warrior type, ass Wikipedia. They wanna see me crumble like a piece of blue cheese. But that color money coming, got that blue cheese. Not that Franklin with the blue line. I'ma spit mines, I ain't even trying to get signed. And be creative when I spit lines. Put it in my phone or put it on the paper on the fucking line. Either way, I'm gonna get mine. Independent type of nigga, do it till I'm alright. And I'm talking about my kids, trying to see them smile. So the grind gotta go 100 fucking miles. Plus more, never settle for no war. Even when I'm flat broke, I'm still that motherfucking ball, nigga. Yeah, even when I'm flat broke, I'm still that motherfucking ball. The way I move is different. Not like no other nigga. She tell me that I'm selfish. Goddamn, and I can't even help it. The way I move is different. Not like these other niggas. They tell me that I'm selfish. Goddamn, man, I can't even.